Well, hello. I'm soaking wet. I just was in the shower and I had this brilliant idea to film what's in my refrigerator without any prep, without fixing it, cleaning it, throwing stuff away. My glasses are fogging up because I'm wet. Yeah, so why don't we just take a little look at what's over here? First of all, we can start with what's on the refrigerator. Okay, so Target receipt, some random ugly magnets, my roommate's family reunion magnet, our expenses, which, yeah, he needs to pay his half and he never does. It's like pulling teeth, trying to get him to pay. A free pass from Leche Long Beach. Does this expire? Oh, it expires the end of December, so I don't think we're going to be using that. I won that at Gay Pride, actually. A magnet that tells what your dog should not eat. What is that? Oh, Food Stirs coupon. I bought a Food Stirs once and I veganized it, but it was so incredibly sugary. Oh my God. This is a coupon for the non-vegan dog food that James eats, so that's very unfortunate. That's caught right there, and pepperoni, which is non-vegan also. So that's bad vegan me being a bad vegan. Some filthy, gross towels on the door handle, and let's start with the freezer. What's in the freezer? Okay, organic mango from Trader Joe's. I make smoothies with those a lot. Peas, frozen peas, random ice cubes. This is my Thanksgiving stuffing that I made, and it wasn't very good, but I'm not going to throw it away. I'm going to use it up eventually. These are these Trader Joe's hash browns, which they're vegan, but they're just so greasy. I don't like eating them because I always feel sick after I eat them. And that's it, pretty empty in there. Let's see what's in the refrigerator. Now, some of this stuff, if it's not vegan, it is not mine. It's Javier's. So let's just go. What do we got in here? This is a V8. I've never had a V8. Actually, I should probably try that because I have never in my life tasted V8. This is Mexican soda. That's Javiers. Some wine that was a gift. I don't know if this is vegan or not. This was a gift. It's been in here a while. Don't know if that's good wine, bad wine, cheap wine. Who knows? Some Thomas's whole wheat bagels. Am I even putting these things on camera? Let's see. Soy creamer, my favorite soy creamer from Trader Joe's. I always try to keep stocked up on that because if I run out, it is unfortunate. This is Javi's. Black bean and cheese. And knowing him, he's going to not eat it and it's going to be thrown away. November 27th is like expiring like very soon. Actually, yeah, in a couple days from when I'm filming this. So yeah, that's got to go. He's got to eat that. He always buys stuff and never eats it. Odd. He works in a restaurant, so I guess maybe that's why, because he gets free food all the time. So bread, this is Trader Joe's rustic bread. It's good. I like it. Raw cashews, which are very good for making those vegan nutty things. Okay, top shelf done. The fridge is pretty empty, actually. I've got some green spring mix that I need to clearly eat today because it's going to be rotten soon. Leftover potato from Thanksgiving, which I will eat. The brownies from the tofurkey roast, which are so sugary that I'm having trouble eating them. I can eat just a little piece at a time, so those are going to last a while. This is some Miyoko's, if you can see inside there. Some Miyoko's cultured vegan butter. which is really good, I find. It's not very salty, which is kind of good, because if you want salt, just put some salt on it. Baking soda, randomly taking odors out of here, I guess. Some sage. I just bought this morning because I'm going to make some pumpkin sauce to put on pasta, because I have this leftover pumpkin, and before it gets moldy, which I had one before and it got moldy, I'm going to use that for a pumpkin sauce, so I'm going to do that probably today. Half an avocado from this morning, which I probably will use at least tomorrow morning, because otherwise it's going to go bad. This is Javiers, because I do not eat that. Nutritional yeast, which looks like I need to go buy nutritional yeast, because that's the last one. Flaxseed meal for making flax eggs. This is Javiers. It was free in a gift bag because it has whey in it, the protein drink. Earth Balance. The one with omega-3. Omega-3, and then just the organic regular one. My favorite tofu from Trader Joe's. I have this all the time. So that's shelf 2. We're getting through this pretty fast. A piece of one tofurkey sausage, which is so good. Organic cranberries, because I'm going to make a cranberry pie. Very excited about that. These carrots I need to eat soon because they're starting to get kind of rubbery. And I hate wasting food. I just hate throwing stuff away. So try and eat that soon, maybe today. Soy, organic soy beverage, organic unsweetened almond milk, some kimchi, which I probably should use up pretty soon. It's been in here about maybe a week, but I think that probably keeps a while, but I'd rather not take any chances. I should finish it soon. This is some relish, Dijon mustard, miso paste. These were a gift in a gift bag, bunch of black box wines. I think that was the environmental awards, maybe, or I don't know. Some vendor gave them to Javier at the restaurant. This crunchy peanut butter with flax and chia seeds, which I do not like, by the way. A little bit of veggie broth, which I need to get rid of very soon because it's been open for about probably a week. Dirty random pieces of produce. I just bought some kale this morning for smoothies, so I'm going to use that in the next day or two. What a mess. Look at this drawer. What a mess. Some onions. I do have good big chunks of garlic. My garlic always goes bad, though. Look, it's growing green. I don't know. My garlic goes bad so fast. And I've got a bunch of these, and most of them look kind of brown, but I need some for my pumpkin sauce, so hopefully I'll be able to use those. Carrots. Mr. James is here because he likes to eat carrots. This is a beet, which I need to use up soon too for smoothies. And what is that? Oh, red onion. So anyway, onions, garlic, a beet. The door, we're almost done, guys. Here we go. I love this tomato paste from Trader Joe's because it keeps a tube, and it's easier than those ones that you get in a can, and then you don't know what to do with the rest of the can. Coffee, I usually mix a half calf. So I'll do half decaf and half regular. And Javi wants to get Dunkin' Donuts coffee because it always reminds me of being on the East Coast, because my parents used to go there all the time when we used to go on vacation with them. This is some ketchup. It doesn't want to focus. My battery's dying. Coconut whipped topping from Trader... Oh, wait, it's Whole Foods. Whole Foods 365. So, yeah, I thought that was Trader Joe's. I told someone on Instagram it was Trader Joe's, but it is not, actually. Some ginger, which I don't know if this is still good, but it looks like it's okay. Hemp seed hearts. Walnut halves. Last part of this tour here. Let's see. I got some organic reduced sugar cherry preserves. some organic pitted Calamon olives. These are olives also that came in a bag, sort of, like a plastic pack thing. So I put them in this jar that I had cleaned out from something else. Liquid aminos, my favorite, I love those. Some capers for making puttanesca. Sweet chili sauce, I don't like that very much. It's kind of slimy to me and like boogery. The texture is like boogery and it kind of bugs me. Hot and sweet jalapenos, these are good, like putting a few of those in your sandwich. So good. Some Trader Joe's sunflower oil, sprouts, tahini. I hate tahini, but I use it sometimes in hummus if I try to make hummus. We've got extra virgin olive oil from Whole Foods and some delicious vegan mayo from Trader Joe's. That's it. I just was editing and I realized I missed this, which is, can you see it? This is some eye gel that Javi got from when he went to the Environmental Awards. It was in the gift bag. And some Sprouts brand apple cider vinegar, which I bought because it was cheaper than the Bragg, which I usually buy. Anyway, that's it. I wanted to be thorough. Where am I? Hold on, hold on. Yeah, here I am. Anyway, yeah, that's it. That's it. Yeah, that's it. That's all that's in there. What's on top, you might ask? A big giant pot for making pasta, which I never used. Some James's dog food, and my Vitamix blender. So that's it. If you had just dropped into my house, I'm actually in my underwear right now. I just got out of the shower, threw on a shirt, and my boxer briefs. And yeah, just in my underwear, hanging out, chit-chatting, and that's it. So, yeah, have a fantastic day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.